Welcome back to Car Fusion, your ultimate destination for high-octane automotive content. Today, we're talking about a legend on four wheels, a powerhouse of strength, and a statement of dominance, the Ram pickup. This beast isn't just a truck. It's a revolution in performance, luxury, and innovation. So, buckle up as we dive deep into everything that makes the Ram pickup a true king of the road. History and evolution. The Ram pickup has been an icon for decades. Originally introduced under Dodge, it quickly became one of the most recognized trucks in the world. In 2009, Ram became its own brand, focusing solely on crafting the toughest and most luxurious trucks on the market. Over the years, the Ram has evolved into a perfect blend of brute strength and high-end comfort, securing multiple Truck of the Year awards. Performance and engine power now. Let's talk about what really matters, the heart of the beast. The Ram 1500 is packed with multiple engine options, but the one that steals the show is the legendary 5.7L Hemi V8. This monster produces a jaw-dropping 395 horsepower and 556 Newton-meters of torque, ensuring that no road is unconquerable. But wait, it gets even better. For those who crave ultimate power, the Ram 1500 TRX is an absolute game-changer. Under the hood sits a 6.2L supercharged Hemi V8, pushing an earth-shaking 702 horsepower and 881 Newton-meters of torque, with a 0 to 100 kilometers per hour time of just 4.5 seconds. This is officially the fastest and most powerful factory-built truck in the world. Technology and interior comfort power isn't the only thing that makes the Ram stand out. It's packed with next-level technology and luxurious features. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that feels more like a high-end SUV than a rugged truck. The 14.5-inch Uconnect touchscreen dominates the dashboard, offering seamless connectivity, entertainment, and navigation. And here's something unique, the 25-inch passenger interactive display, allowing your co-pilot to stream videos, control music, and even navigate routes. The cabin is crafted with premium leather, wood, and aluminum accents, making it feel like a first-class lounge on wheels. Heated and ventilated seats, a 19-speaker Harman Kardon sound system, and a panoramic sunroof turn every drive into a luxury experience. Safety and driver assistance. With all this power and tech, safety remains a top priority in the Ram pickup. The high-strength steel frame provides maximum durability, while advanced features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and evasive steering assist ensure complete control on the road. The 360-degree camera system gives you a bird's-eye view of your surroundings, making parking and towing effortless. Off-road capability. If you love adventure, the Ram 1500 Rebel is built just for you. With a factory lift kit, all-terrain tires, and Bilstein shock absorbers, it can dominate any trail. Plus, the electronic locking rear differential provides superior traction on rough terrains, ensuring you stay in control no matter where you go. Towing and hauling capacity. Need to haul heavy loads? No problem. The Ram 1500 offers a maximum towing capacity of 12,750 pounds, 5,783 kilograms. Whether it's boats, trailers, or heavy-duty equipment, this truck can handle it all with ease. The active level 4-corner air suspension ensures a smooth ride, even when carrying massive loads. The future of trucks is electric, and Ram isn't staying behind. The upcoming Ram 1500 REV will be the brand's first all-electric pickup, promising groundbreaking performance with over 800 kilometers of range on a single charge. With insane acceleration, a quick charging system, and futuristic design, this is Ram's next big leap into the world of electric trucks. So, what do you think about the Ram pickup? It's a perfect blend of power, technology, and luxury. Whether you're looking for a workhorse, an off-road monster, or a luxury truck, the Ram delivers without compromise. Let us know in the comments which Ram model is your favorite, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Fusion for more thrilling automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and keep your engines roaring.